The Houdini Stash half-zip pullover is the sibling to our beloved wind and water-resistant Houdini jacket. It's made from the same light, packable, 100% recycled nylon ripstop fabric, but in a hoodless pullover silhouette with a deep half-zip and 3 pockets. 2 side pockets with hook and loop closures fit larger essentials. A zippered left chest pocket keeps smaller items secure. It also doubles as a stuff sack, so you can pack the Houdini Stash away when the weather is fair. On warmer days or when you're working hard, front and back vents dump heat and boost airflow. In mixed conditions, drizzle and droplets will shed right off thanks to a durable, water-repellent finish made without PFCs, also known as PFAS, or forever chemicals. Like the original, the jacket's best trick is its simplicity. It packs down so small that there's never an excuse to leave it behind. Run, ride, hike, climb. No matter where your busy multi-sport life takes you, the Houdini Stash will go too.